Hi, welcome back to Chillo Gamer. Today we'll be unboxing MegaMan Battle Network Legacy Collection for the Nintendo Switch, released on April 14, 2023. Let's check what's inside. I'm a big fan of these MegaMan Legacy Collections from Capcom. I hope they release more of these things. Like a MegaMan Legacy Collection, the 3D MegaMan games. That would be great if they do one of those. Or a miscellaneous MegaMan collection with all the games that they never released on any collections. Here's the back. Side. And close up the front. Okay. No inside art. Here's the cartridge. Back of it. Okay. Well, that's basically it. This was a really quick one. If you're a MegaMan fan, please leave a like and subscribe. And I hope you comment, enjoy our content. Thank you and goodbye.